today we only have one duckling. My son took in 5 about a month ago that didn't have a mama around. We lost 3 one night when I forgot to put them away. And then last night, my son put them away, and he's very good at securing them. And there's no apparent breach, and there was just one when we came out. So we're very confused, and this little guy's really confused as to where his friend is. You gonna make friends with Artemis? Artemis, get out of the chicken run. Artemis! Artemis! This is our 11-month-old German Shepherd, Artemis. She's a goddess. In trouble. Hi, baby. Where did your friend go? Oh, I'm sorry. Where did your friend go? Where did your friend go? And he tried hanging out with the chickens this morning, but they weren't really having it. We have lots of duckies in the neighborhood. He'll find a friend eventually. Or maybe his friend just went out exploring. Bye. Nice talking to you. I think he wants to be your friend, Artemis. You be friends with the duckling, Artemis? Artemis says, I'm good at chasing ducks into the river. I'm shaking.